Guys, my name is Random Dog, and this is going to be a remake of my last video I made, which was how to download models, maps, and etc. on SFM. The reason I'm remaking this is because there was some confusion on things, and I just thought it was super cringy and very poor quality. And I'm not saying this video isn't going to be cringy, but I'm saying that it will be better quality, at least I hope. I have a screen recorder and an actual microphone, so I hope it will be better quality. Okay, so I will make other tutorials on SFM on how to, get started. So I'm assuming that you know how to open it and get it set. And I'm just assuming that you don't know how to install models, because that's what this video is for. So let's get started. So you have SFM open and everything, and you want to make sure that after you've made it, you always want to save it before you exit out, so if it were to crash. So you're gonna go to Steam, and let's say it starts in your library. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Community and then Workshops. Let that load. And then you're gonna search for a workshop. So this time you're gonna search for Source Filmmaker. Should come up right there. And here is where you get all your models. So you're gonna go, I usually like to go to the main page. So what you're going to do is you can search for anything. For example, I will just search for 5 Nights at Freddy's. Okay, I've got most of these. So and now here is something I didn't go over in my last video. Select, I want to look only at models right now. So it will pick all the models. So this is one way on how you can know it's a model, but I will also go over, if you don't want to do that, how you know it's a model. So let's get Plush Trap. I don't have him for some reason. So here is Plush Trap, the model. So, and here is something that you guys were confused about. And I will put all of the endings in the description, you'll know what I mean. So model ends in MDL, and map will end in BSP, sound will end in WAV, and I will name everything else in the description. So for example, we'll be doing a model, so that will end in MDL. That's how you know it's a model, if you didn't filter out everything. So now to get the model, you hit subscribe. If you have just one model, or you have a fast computer, it should load pretty fast. Like if you saw a little bar down there, that was it loading, and it loaded pretty fast. If you had a big pack of models, it might take a while, and if you have a slow computer, it could take a while, but you'll see a loading bar down there if it was loading. So now it is subscribed, so that means you should have it. So I will show you now sound. If you go here, this is a sound pack. And as you can see here, sounds end in WAV. And maps end in BSP. The rest you can look at in the description. So now you get an idea of where those letters will end in. Okay, so now you've got your model, or whatever you were getting. So it will say this, do you want to download? You will hit okay. So now you'll open up Filmmaker again. And this was another problem. You guys were saying, I can't find my character or something. So this is usually what I do, because it most likely you have to reset SFM. You guys were getting confused with resetting and deleting. You do not want to delete it. All you have to do, make sure it's saved, get off of it, close it completely. So there. Now you can open it up again. I'm sorry, but you do have to do this for most things. Most of the time when I try to open it, most of the time when I try to find my models, they're not there because I need to reset it, which is, I know it's annoying. Another question was, How do you know if it's a rig? I will add that in the description, but just so you know, it ends in PY. So if you saw my latest video, I was commenting and replying, and I was just saying I got a rig and I thought it was a model, so it's very important because it will look like a model if it's a rig. And I'm not sure what rigs do, so don't want to get a rig unless you know what it does. Okay, so here we are in SFM again. So you've closed it and now you're opened it. So now to get your model into the map, you're going to hit this plus button over here. And you hit create animation set for new model. This will go for models. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna, so it will be at all mods. What you're gonna wanna do is scroll down to workshop. So it will filter out all the things that they added. So now this is just the stuff you've downloaded. And now you're gonna search for your thing. I got a plush trap, and if you can't remember what it's called, remember, go to includes, and this is what it's going to be called. So it has the word plush trap in it, so that will help you search for it. So here it is. So you're going to double click or hit open, and it should spawn right there, and that's how you get your model. And I will do another tutorial on how to animate and everything else for SFM, but that is it for this tutorial. And yeah, so let me know in the comments if you have any questions and if you have any other ideas for YouTube videos, and let me know if this video was better or not. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.